Oh, no, don't worry, I'm not going to get far. Oh, man, teamwork, I might. Teamwork, I might. Thank you very much. God bless. Thank you. I was like, if one of them moves, I'm still not going to have enough room, and then they fucking powers combined. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Premises 187. My Drift Ghost X died. I've been missing out on footage for the last 4 days. It's gonna hurt me. I won't have many clips for the next random encounters, that's the problem. Jesus Christ, what's wrong with you? I've been spending too much recently. New bike, SC Project exhaust, GoPro 9 coming. Had to buy a fucking accessory for that to plug microphones into. Oh, the nonsense. Really gotta thank the Patreon guys because they took the edge off. They took the edge off of the pain, the wallet pain. What's with all the police, man? Oh, something going down in Israel. Oh shit, that's a lot of flags. Turning traction control off. We don't need that shit. This is a bike for men. Although I've got an engine warning light after I turned it off. That's bizarre. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Premises 187. We've got the GoPro 9 running, and GoPro have added like a tagging feature called hindsight, which is very useful. Oh shit, look, we found Nemo. We found Nemo. Somebody's lost their Amazon package. That's actually a suspicious package, and I will vacate the area very quickly. Don't do it. Get the fuck out the way! So, Witness Pro asks, how do the Premises 187 key tags hold up to the rain? Well, this key tag here is my first key tag from 2015, and I've ridden with it most days since then. So, hey, you be the judge, you tell me.